Hello friends, my name is Raghavendra Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you maths and the topic is highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. First of all, we will study what are factors. Factors, let a number is 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 12 and these are the factors of 18. So what are the common factors of 12 and 18? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Therefore highest common factor of 12 and 18 is equal to 6. So highest common factor of two numbers is that greatest number which divides both the numbers. It means all these numbers can divide 12 and 18 both. But in these 6 is the greatest number, highest number, therefore 6 is called the highest common factor of 12 and 18. There are two methods to find the HCF of given numbers. First method is called prime factorization method. And the second number is long division method. So what is prime factorization method? Suppose that we have to find the factors of first prime factorization method. Suppose that we have to find the HCF of 24 and 36. So first we will factorize 24 prime factorization 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. How will you factorize this 24 to find the prime factors? You will use this method 24 and divide by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. After that 2, 2 6 are 12. After that 2 3 are 6. After that 3 1 are 3. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 2 2 and 3. 2 2 2 and 3. Just like prime factors of 36 are, so you will find the prime factors of 36. You will divide by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16. After that 2 9 are 18, 3 3 are 9 and 3 1 are 3. These are the prime factors of 36. So here 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now the HCF of 24 and 36 is equal to what? The common factors, the common prime factors. This is common, so you will take 2 as common. Here you will also 2 add common and 3 is also common. So you will write only common factors, not these factors. You will not write these factors because these are not common in both numbers. Therefore you multiply this 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12. So HCF of 24 and 36 is equal to 12 by prime factorization method. And after that second method, long division method or long division method. Long division method. What is long division method? Long division method in which if two numbers are given, first you divide the second number or largest number by the smallest number. So here you will divide 36 by 24. 24 1 are 24. You will write here 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 2 1. Okay. Now 12 is the remainder because 12 is less than 24. Therefore you make this divisor and you make 24 dividend. After that table 12 to are 24. It will cancel out. Therefore the last divisor is called the HCF. So HCF of 24 and 36 is equal to 12. So from both methods you will find the HCF of 24 and 36 12. These are the highest common factors. Okay, now we are going to read lowest common multiples. What are lowest common multiples? Lowest common multiple, it means